How do ink tank printers reduce printing costs over time? If you've ever needed to print an important document only to discover you're almost out of ink, you already know one of the biggest frustrations of traditional inkjet printers. While the printer itself may be inexpensive, replacement cartridges can quickly become an ongoing expense. Ink tank printers take a different approach by replacing disposable cartridges with refillable ink reservoirs, reducing both printing costs and interruptions over time. Traditional inkjet printers often have a low upfront price, but the cost of replacement cartridges adds up surprisingly fast. The standard ink cartridge typically prints around 220 pages before it needs replacing. For households printing regularly, that can mean buying new cartridges every few weeks. There's another hidden cost as well. Many inkjet printers run automatic cleaning cycles that consume ink even when you're not printing. Ink tank printers change that equation. Instead of replacing cartridges, you refill large built-in ink reservoirs using ink bottles. HP Smart Tank printers include enough original HP ink to print up to 3 years of typical home printing, with high-capacity bottles capable of producing thousands of pages before refilling. The biggest savings appear in households that print consistently. For someone running a small business from home, printing invoices, contracts, shipping labels, and customer paperwork, cartridge costs can quietly become another recurring business expense. The HP Smart Tank 7602 All-in-One is designed for those productivity-focused workflows, adding features like a 35-page automatic document feeder, automatic two-sided printing, fax capability, and AI-enabled scan-to-email through the HP app. Households that began printing more after remote work became common also benefit from cartridge-free printing. The HP Smart Tank 6001 All-in-One supports multiple users with reliable wireless connectivity while helping reduce the ongoing cost of frequent printing. For households with lighter but consistent printing needs, such as financial paperwork, travel documents, or medical records, the HP Smart Tank 5101 All-in-One provides dependable, everyday printing with predictable, low ink costs. Many buyers also compare ink tank printers with laser printers. Laser printers remain an excellent choice for offices producing large volumes of black and white documents. But for households printing a mix of text, school projects, creative materials, and colored documents, ink tank printers often provide lower color printing costs while delivering excellent color output. They're also generally more compact and better suited to the variety of printing most homes require. While ink tank printers typically cost more upfront, the long-term savings can be substantial. With refillable ink tanks, thousands of pages of included ink, and far fewer replacements, they help reduce both printing costs and the interruptions that come with traditional cartridges. For households that print regularly, an ink tank printer offers a practical way to save money while making everyday printing simpler and more reliable.